Hi, welcome to AC Technical. In this video, I will show you how to repair Windows 11 using bootable USB. If your Windows PC is not booting up properly, keep crashing or is showing weird errors, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to repair Windows 11 using a bootable USB drive. This method will help to fix many Windows problems such as automatic repair loop, Windows 11 startup repair, your PC or device needs to be repaired or your device could not be repaired at this time. It's super easy and you don't need to reinstall everything or lose your files. So let's get started. First, we need a Windows 11 bootable USB. You will need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage and make sure to back up anything important on it because it will be erased. Go to the official Microsoft website and download the media creation tool. Run it, accept the license terms, and choose Create installation media for another PC. Select your preferred language and edition, then choose USB flash drive. Pick your USB drive from the list. And the tool will automatically download Windows 11 and create the bootable USB for you. Once it's done, safely remove the USB drive and plug it into the problematic computer that needs repair. Next, we need to boot the computer from the USB drive. Restart your PC and press the boot menu key. Usually it's F12, F9, Escape or Delete depending on your manufacturer. Then select your USB drive from the list and hit enter. You will now see the Windows 11 setup screen. When the Windows setup screen appears, don't click install now. Instead, click on repair my PC. Then go to troubleshoot. After that, go to advanced options. Here you will see several tools you can use to fix Windows. The most common and helpful ones are Startup Repair. This automatically fixes problem that prevents Windows from booting. If Startup Repair doesn't work, open System Restore. This lets you roll back your PC to a previous working state. If everything went well, Windows 11 should boot normally again. If not booting, go back to WinRD using bootable USB and open the command prompt. For advanced users, here available some detailed advanced tutorials on automatic repair loop, Windows 11 startup repair, your PC or device needs to be repaired or your device could not find repaired at this time, Windows 11 UEFI boot repair, Windows registry repair and more. Anyone who wants to run the manual repair command can try this. Now restart your computer. And that's it. You just repaired Windows 11 using a bootable USB, no reinstall, no lost files. If this video helped you, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments what issue you were able to fix. Thank you, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.